Hey, my friends, can you guess what is in this package? UPS just dropped off for me. Make some guesses right now. And when you make the guesses, as you make the guesses, I'm going to start opening the package so we can see what is inside of here. More than likely, it's going to be photography related. And yes, it is. This is the Tamron 20mm 2.8 lens. Let's continue with the unboxing, shall we? Man, I'm getting weak. Yeah. There's our paperwork, a little lens hood thingy. But what we want to see is the actual lens. It should go a lot smoother and more professional than this. There it is. Tamron 20mm, going to put that on my Sony a7 IV. Now the question is, what type of sports am I going to use this lens for? Well, you're just going to have to subscribe and click that notification bell to find out.